And this topic, vaccine. What is vaccine? Introduction of vaccine. Vaccine is a biological agent. Vaccine is a biological agent given to the analytical acquired immunity. Given to the acquired immunity for a particular diseases. Particular diseases in the intention to the confirm protective immunity agents that the diseases there are the different bias by the which vaccine are the prepared based on the type of the microorganism, based on the type of microorganism, type of the vaccine. First one, live vaccine. Second one, vaccine. Third, toxoid vaccine. Fourth, subunit vaccine. Fifth, conjuncted vaccine. Sixth, recombinant DNA vaccine. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Recombinant DNA vaccine. Sympathetic peptide vaccine. Anti-idiopathic vaccine. Live vaccine. Live attenuated organisms. Live attenuated organism. This vaccine is the prepared by the reducing the virulence of the microorganism. The process is called attenuation. The attenuable microorganism can no larger causes disease but can elicit immune response. First point, the attenuation of the microorganism can be done in several ways. Second point, growing the microorganism in the abnormal host. Growing the microorganism in abnormal host. Third point, repeated culture of the microorganism. Repeated culture of the microorganism. Fourth point, growth of the microorganism. Growth of the microorganism under abnormal condition like the temperature, pH, etc. Like temperature, pH, etc. Fourth point, the advantage of live vaccine in that they confirm local immunity and the hence are the administration thought the natural route of infection. For example, the flu vaccine is the administered thought the intestinal route and the gives protected immunity in the respiratory tract. Must live vaccine do not require the booster dose. However, live vaccine have the creation disadvantage. The attenuated organism can sometimes get the mutated to the become virulent and the hence causes disease in the immunized individuals. Further, the storage conditions of the live vaccine sold with the stately folder, otherwise they will lose their potency. Last point, common examples of live vaccine. Common example of the live vaccine MMR, measles, mumps and the rubella vaccine. Chicken pox vaccine. What is chicken pox? Chicken pox vaccine, pimples. Chicken pox vaccine, oral polio vaccine and the BCG vaccine for the tuberculosis. Polio vaccine and the BCG vaccine for tuberculosis. clauses at a birth baby of the starting vaccine of the BCG. Thank you guys.